Hey guys, it's Molly and Toby, aka Moby Adventures. Molly, what are we doing?
We are currently in Antigua. We're off on sabbatical for the next 8 months, and we got out just before the UK lockdown started, and this was one of the only places we could come to. It is not so bad, and we're going to be checking it out for you guys at home.
But before that, here's a random selection of shots from our first week set to generic royalty-free music. This is our first ever YouTube video. Hey.
Hey. One of the only places available.
So here we are. Here we are.
You can't do it. I can't do it. I can't take myself seriously. Before you go, just make sure you click like and subscribe down below.